Does Prop 19 sound a little confusing? That's probably because it is. Hi everyone, I'm Christina Atwater with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. Welcome to part 2 of our video series on Prop 19. Here's a refresher on what we covered in part 1. Prop 19 is a new property tax-based transfer law for adults over 55 or adults who have been severely disabled or adults who are victims of a California wildfire. The law goes into effect on April 1 this year. Here are a few questions that we've received about Prop 19. Well, number 1, what is the tax base exactly? Well, if you look at your property tax bill under the Assessed Values and Exemption section, which is highlighted in blue about a quarter of the way down the page, your tax base is the total net taxable value located just below the homeowner exemption. For example, the tax assessor assigns a value to your home based on your purchase price to the land and improvements, which equals your total property value minus the homeowner exemption equals your tax base. This is the value that you, as the homeowner of your primary residence, can transfer to another property anywhere in California up to 3 times in your lifetime. For this example, let's just say that you purchased your home 20, maybe 25 years ago for $375,000 and your tax base today is $500,000, but your home is worth $1 million. Because of Prop 13, your property taxes can only go up 2% a year. So your property taxes are probably lower than most of your neighbors that purchased in your neighborhood more recently. So if today your property tax base is $500,000 and you sell your home for $1 million and you want to buy a replacement home for $1.3 million, can you do this? Yes. You simply subtract the difference between the sales price of your first home and the purchase price of your second home, and you add it to your tax base, which in this example, we would add $300,000 to your old tax base of $500,000 for a new base of $800,000, which would be taxed at the county rate in which you live in. Make sure that you check that county tax rate in new build communities as well, because they sometimes can be higher than the county tax rate. Question number 2, what happens if I move again because I don't like the home that I bought, the traffic noise, or my neighbors? Do I take the $500,000 or the $800,000 tax base with me to my next home? The original tax base is $500,000 and that goes with you. You can transfer your original tax base 3 times in your lifetime to any county in California. Question number 3, what happens if my children inherit my property and my primary residence upon my death? Does the property tax base change for them? We'll answer this question in detail in part 3 of our Prop 19 series next week, so stay tuned. I'm Christina Atwater, serving North Orange County with integrity and commitment, and I can't wait to hear from you.